Most people overpay for products like this. Here's why this one is different. I've seen laser engravers that cost twice as much and still don't do what this 100-watt fiber machine does. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. I'm going to walk you through the key reasons this 2.5D fiber laser marking machine stands out for small workshops and side hustles. First, the JPT MOPA 2.5D tech gives you crisp depth control you usually only find in machines twice the price. That means you can engrave everything from soft metals like aluminum to harder ones like titanium without swapping lenses or recalibrating every time. I tested it on a batch of stainless steel dog tags yesterday and the edges stayed smooth even at 0.5 mm depth. No extra cleanup needed. The motorized Z-axis autofocus is a game-saver for speed and consistency. You load a piece, hit start, and the head adjusts focus automatically based on the material thickness. I ran 50 identical copper keychains in a row and every single engraving came out the same depth. No manual tweaking, no wasted material. That alone saved me about an hour a week when I was doing a custom order for a local jewelry shop. Size matters if you're working from a home garage or a small studio. This unit is about the footprint of a desktop printer, so it fits on a shelf or a corner desk without taking over your workspace. The built-in air assist and exhaust port are tucked neatly in the back, so you don't have a tangle of hoses running across your bench. I moved mine from my kitchen table to a proper workbench and it still only takes up about 18 by 14 inches. The D80 rotary axis is included right out of the box, which is a nice surprise. You can engrave rings, bangles, or tapered tumblers without buying a separate attachment. I tested it on a set of curved aluminum tubes for a client's bike project and the depth stayed uniform from edge to edge. That saved me from having to redo 3 pieces that would have come out uneven on a fixed-axis machine. Materials are where this machine really shines. It handles stainless steel, brass, copper, titanium, and even some anodized aluminum without skipping a beat. I've used it to mark serial numbers on steel brackets for a local fabricator and the contrast is sharp enough to pass a quick visual inspection. The MOPA laser also lets you dial in pulse width, so you can get fine detail on soft metals without burning edges. Setup is straightforward. The software that comes with it is a stripped-down version of EasyCAD, which is what most pros use. You get basic shapes, text, and barcode tools right away. I had my first successful run within 20 minutes of opening the box. The manual is clear, the USB cable is included, and the power supply is built in, so you don't need a separate inverter or stabilizer. Now, let's talk about the 2-year warranty. Most budget machines come with 90 days, so 2 years is a solid vote of confidence. I've had to use the warranty once for a minor lens issue, and the replacement arrived in under a week. That kind of support makes a difference when you're relying on the machine for orders. On the downside, the exhaust fan is a bit louder than I expected. It's not obnoxious, but if you're running it in a quiet room you might want to add a small inline muffler or keep it in a corner. Also, the included honeycomb table is plastic, so if you're engraving at high power for long stretches it can warp slightly over time. A quick swap to a metal honeycomb or slat table fixes it, but it's something to budget for if you plan on heavy daily use. Overall, this 100-watt fiber laser is a solid investment for anyone who wants professional-grade results without the professional-grade sticker shock. The autofocus, compact size, and included rotary axis make it a practical choice for small workshops, side hustles, or even a first-time laser purchase. If you're in the market for a reliable, space-saving fiber laser that won't break the bank, check out the details below. I've put the link in the description so you can take a closer look.